Hi, I'm Paris, and I can tell you that lighting is something I've struggled with in YouTube videos for a while. I'm sitting right in front of a window now. The window faces north, so I get some nice indirect lighting. I also have an umbrella type light right next to me. And of course I have my cactus and my flamingo, and this is the result that you get. I have tried other lights, but they tended to be too glaring and make me squint when I'm looking in that direction. So I finally did some research on what do those people who, especially like the beauty vloggers, who have such nice, even, full lighting, how is it that they manage that? It turns out that maybe some part of their actual beauty is contributed to by using a ring light.
Epic review, guys.
No, not like Green Lantern. This is a large ring. They make them in different sizes. As they get larger, the price goes up. But the ring surrounds your camera lens. So since most of these types of videos, even though I don't do much in the way of beauty vlogging, but I do look at the camera a lot. And so having the light source right around the lens in this LED with a diffuser seems to give those beauty vloggers their nice even lighting. And even that little lighted halo in the eye that you see when they're looking right at the camera, well, with the ring light, you can get that too. You can find out more about this model, which I chose in part because it was the Amazon choice for this general size of light ring. This one on sale was about $80. Find out more about it at the link down below this video. The brand, by the way, is Newer, spelled with 2 E's. In that large box is this. It's a carrying case, so you can take this with you, and a separate box. I think this contains a tripod. Yep, it's a tripod. I think this extends to just over 5 feet in height if you like, but of course you can have it shorter because you want it about at eye level. And a couple adapter pieces. I think this allows you to take your cell phone and mount it in the center of the ring. The ring itself, it's got LEDs laid in here and a reflective background. You can see how this will work. Also, it's dimmable, which was very important because I'm thinking one this large being just about 4 feet away from me may be too bright. Here you can see the LEDs embedded in the white surface, and then along the edges there's a reflective foil surface. And the mounting portion of the ring that you connect to the tripod, as well as the power cable. You do have to plug this into the wall. 2 colors of diffusers. These are separate pieces. I guess they snap together and snap in front of the ring. You've got orangish red and clearish white. Also, the power supply looks like it has a fairly long cord. Another adapter piece. This one stretches out to hold your cell phone in place. Okay, that took just a few minutes to put together. Hopefully I did it correctly. Plugged it in, and the on-off and dimmer switch are located here on the base of it. Oh, it started out dim. Here comes the brightness. Don't sit this close to it. I'm still working my way up to maximum. Oh my gosh. Wow, that is a lot of light. Now, of course, what we want to see is how it looks when it's centered on my face. As you can see, it actually does block a little of the light coming in the window, but I don't think it puts a shadow right on me, and it certainly won't once I've turned it on. Also, I didn't have to attach the camera to the ring, which is another option. If you have a smaller camera, this one fits with the viewing panel out to the side with plenty of room to spare with this 18-inch light ring. Here's what I'm looking into now, and I don't know, it's brighter than what you're seeing. I think the phone has adjusted for the brightness. Here it is on low. Any difference? This is maybe 1/4 power. It's bright in my face. This is about half power. It's hard to tell if I'm getting the even lighting, especially on my face, because it's so bright I can't see the viewfinder of the camera. Let's call this 3/4 power and full power. I'm going to have to take the card out of the camera and play it on the computer because I have no idea what it really looks like in the viewfinder screen there. And I've turned off the umbrella light as well as closed the blinds here, so there's hardly any light coming in. But does that really make any difference when this is on full? With the blinds closed, maybe you can get a better idea that this is really bright to look into when it's on full power. But maybe the more important question is, how do I look? How does this setup look with this as pretty much the only lighting source? I've opened the blinds back up, turned on the umbrella light again. So that's kind of a white light. I've put the orange diffuser over the ring right now, so I should look a little different than when it was just the raw LEDs. And here's a look at it with the orange diffuser installed. It only took about, less than a minute to snap it into place. Here I am with the blinds open, the umbrella light on, and the whitish clear diffuser. It does help. It definitely does diffuse the light a lot. I'll have to check and see how it looks on me. Let me show you what it looks like. This is now the ring of light that I'm looking into. At this distance, I'm not sure if it'll give me that effect of the little ring in my eyes. Let's take a look. Am I beauty vlog worthy? But I'll be doing most of my videos from back here, holding things up for you to see, whereas beauty vloggers, the products they're using, they usually put on their face so they can do those real close-ups. So how well can you see these things with this lighting? So after reviewing these video clips on my computer on a large screen, this is the setup I think I like best because take out the fill lighting from the side, the umbrella light here, takes a little something out, or take out the natural lighting from the window, and it also takes out a nice element. Here I am again with all three light sources. If I go back to how things were without the ring light, I lose something too, though before today it wasn't something I knew I could have. So I think I found the right combination for me. The 18-inch ring light at about 50% brightness with the clearish white diffuser on it, the side fill lighting, and the natural light coming in from the window. I'll try this combination of lighting on my next few videos and see how it holds up. But some of you may be watching this review wanting to see how this works with the cell phone attachment, so let me try that out real quick. So for this, you attach the stretchy, grippy cell phone holder to a ball head mount that will attach inside of the ring to the ring itself, so you don't need a separate tripod for this. Here it is installed on the ring for the phone to be in landscape mode. And this is the view from my phone using the light ring with the phone installed in landscape mode right in the middle there. And it's very easy to slide in and out of the light ring when you want to remove it. They also throw in a little Bluetooth remote shutter so you can start recording or take pictures remotely, but this says it is for iOS and I have an Android phone. Last piece to mention is this extension piece. You can put this on top of the tripod and then put the ring onto this, and with some effort you can actually bend it into different positions so you could put the ring at different angles depending on your videography needs. So I really like this lighting solution from Neewer. They give you lots of accessories. They give you the different diffusers to use to change the warmth of the lights. All very well designed. They give you the traveling case, but keep in mind this does need to plug into the wall. I like the quality of the light too, but I can tell you after seeing myself close up under this wonderful lighting, I think I'm even less inclined to do more beauty vlogging videos. But if you'd like to see how it works as the outdoor lighting changes, as I'm reviewing different products, as I'm wearing different color shirts, keep watching my videos. Pretty good deal for just 80 bucks. Find out more about it at the link down below this video, and I'll see you on the next review.
Epic Review.